Last night, if you were watching Indian news, you probably thought that World War III had started and India had won. According to Indian media outlets, this is what happened. India launched a full-scale invasion of Pakistan. Lahore, Islamabad, Quetta and Peshawar were bombed.
इस्लामाबाद के बड़े important strategic locations पर अटैक किया गया।
Karachi and Omara were on fire after naval missile strikes.
यहाँ पर इंडियन नेवी है, कराची का नेवल बेस उसको मेजर डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ है।
The Prime Minister went into hiding.
शहबाज शरीफ पर सबसे बड़ी खबर और खबर ये कि शहबाज शरीफ अब बंकर की शरण में जा चुके हैं।
The army chief was arrested and there was a military coup.
वो दरअसल सरेंडर होने की इंफॉर्मेशन है, इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं। क्यों कह रहे हैं? क्योंकि मुल्ला मुनीर को हिरासत में लेने की बात है।
And an F-16 pilot was captured. Sounds intense, right? Except none of this actually happened. Trust me, I live in Karachi. There was no fire, there was no missile. So what did happen? On the night of May 8th, Indian news and social media were on fire. They were flooded with false claims and fake news of India invading Pakistan.
अभी तक तो कहा जा रहा था कि सिर्फ एयरफोर्स अटैक कर रहा है, लेकिन अब भारत की आर्मी घुस गई है।
A clip of Iranian strike on Israel was shared as a strike by India on Pakistan.
हवाई गोलीबारी काफी तेज कर दी है और पाकिस्तान का जो मेनलैंड है, उसका जो हार्टलैंड है, उस पर अब लगातार भारत की तरफ से हमले हो रहे हैं।
Footage from Gaza bombings were shared as footage from Pakistan.
आ रहे हैं, ये भारत का बड़ा पलटवार है। हम ये भी नहीं अभी शेयर करेंगे कि ये किन इलाकों से फायर की गई है।
Even a Japanese video game was used to show an Indian jet shooting down Pakistani aircraft. This wasn't just misinformation. This was an industrial-scale disinformation campaign. And India's biggest news channels didn't just fall for it, they broadcasted it live. And Pakistanis, of course, clapped back with what they do best: memes, jokes, and satire. Here are some of our favorites. But behind a laugh lies a hard truth. When journalism turns into jingoism, headlines become hallucinations. When newsrooms abandon facts for flag waving, the real casualty then is trust.
पिछले 24 घंटे हमारे लिए परीक्षा की घड़ी रहे हैं, क्योंकि सीमा पर तेजी से हालात बिगड़ते गए। झड़पों की रिपोर्ट्स, आधिकारिक बयान, सोशल मीडिया पर अटकलें, पूरी कोशिश की कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ सच्ची खबर ही आप तक पहुंचे, लेकिन हमारी पूरी सतर्कता के बावजूद कुछ अधूरी रिपोर्ट्स ऑन एयर हो गई।
Credibility takes years to build, but seconds to burn. And this isn't just about the Indian media or the Western media, or even Pakistani media. This is about all of us, because in the digital world, there are no borders, and algorithms don't care. When journalists give people a reason to doubt them, this information doesn't just slip through, it takes over. In the times of war, the truth may be the first casualty. But in the age of internet, it's not just the truth that dies. It's accountability, it's integrity, and it's trust.